How to start affiliate marketing in 2023. If you've ever Googled how to make money in your sleep, then you've probably heard of affiliate marketing. While it has been around since the internet's early days, recent trends in digital advertising have directed more interest toward it. Today, 81% of brands around the world have affiliate programs. It's not as simple as it sounds, though. Running an effective affiliate marketing plan takes work, a whole lot of it. Luckily for you, there are numerous techniques to get you on track. In this article, we've made a list of affiliate marketing strategies to help you explore and make the most of this approach. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is an advertising model that allows affiliates to earn commission in exchange for promoting a company's products or services on their own platform. Affiliate marketing is prevalent across a wide range of channels, including blogs and social media. The end goal is to compel audiences to subscribe to or purchase the brand, product, or service that the affiliate is promoting. Traditionally, marketing entails spending on an advertising budget. Top Draw reveals that offline marketing costs an average of $22 and up to reach an audience of 1,000. With affiliate marketing, your business can gain the same traction or more for less cost and risk. Affiliate marketing takes a fair amount of time and effort, but it can be an ultimately rewarding endeavor for you and your business. Furthermore, affiliate marketing can be an effective and accessible way to establish your online presence, drive engagement, improve business scalability, and increase revenue. As a creator or beginner, how can you leverage affiliate marketing for success? Is it still a viable income stream in 2023? Where do you start, and what best practices do you need to observe? How can you benefit from affiliate marketing as a creator? As a content creator, there are several ways for you to monetize your content, one of which is through affiliate marketing. When done properly, affiliate marketing can be a sustainable means of generating passive income and diversifying your income streams. It's an immensely popular and accessible way to earn extra revenue without you having to shell out any initial monetary investment. Additionally, it's relatively low risk and doesn't require you to produce or source your own products to market. Affiliate marketing also gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of when and where you can work. You can opt to work full-time or as a freelancer. You can also select the niches or products you want to promote. This allows you to establish yourself as an expert and promote the products to your niche audience. Furthermore, it gives you the chance to expand your network. By working with merchants, other influencers, and affiliate networks, you can build partnerships with them. This, in turn, can help drive engagement and open opportunities for working with other businesses. This comes in handy especially if you're planning on going into business yourself. As an affiliate, you can do market research and broaden your reach. But before you dive right into affiliate marketing and expect to earn thousands of dollars right away, you need to understand results take time. It requires hard work and, to be honest, there's no guarantee that you'll succeed. While you might put in a lot of time and effort, affiliate marketing is still tinged with uncertainty, making it more challenging. However, the best way to see whether or not something will ultimately work out for you is to go ahead and try it. This guide will help you start your journey into the world of affiliate marketing. A practical guide to affiliate marketing for creators and beginners. In this guide, we've outlined the necessary steps you need to follow to start affiliate marketing. Know your goal. Knowing why you want to go into affiliate marketing can help you determine the direction and the actions you're going to take. Set smart goals that are realistic and measurable. You also need to have clear expectations of what you can get from affiliate marketing. Why do you want to go into affiliate marketing? Do you want to earn extra money for yourself or your family and diversify your income streams? Do you want to grow your online presence or build new relationships? Additionally, you must know how much you want to earn and how much time and work you can invest. Establish your online presence. Before you start promoting products, you first need to have a platform and begin establishing your online presence on social media or a dedicated blog or website. The good news is, it's easy to create a blog or website. Some platforms offer free services, and others will let you create your own website at a low cost. Having an online presence is necessary because some networks won't allow creators to become their affiliates if they don't have their own website, blog, or other means of promoting products and services. Find the right platform for promotion. Where do you want to host your affiliate content? What type of content do you want to use to promote affiliate products? For beginners, a website or YouTube channel are examples of highly accessible platforms. They're ideal for growing an audience and getting your brand out there. These methods lend themselves well to affiliate product promotion. If you're just starting out, you can always focus on one platform. However, if you're looking to grow your operations, you need to consider diversifying the range of platforms you're going to use. Once you've identified your platform, you need to know how you're going to promote the products. You can focus on doing product reviews, videos, or blog posts. But don't let these limit your reach. Another way to promote affiliate products is through courses or workshops. The thing to remember here is that you want to establish a genuine connection with your target audience. You need to create content and promote it in a way that resonates with them. Find the affiliate network that suits you best. There are tons of affiliate networks out there to choose from, making it very challenging to pick the best one. Commission rates vary from one company to another. Before choosing an affiliate network to work with, you need to assess factors such as: companies also vary in their commission structures. Some offer one-time commission, while others can pay you through cost per action or a recurring commission model. If you're not up to working with affiliate networks, you can look for companies that run an affiliate program. You can also check if the product you want to promote offers an affiliate program. Once you've done your research and have taken the preliminary steps, you're ready to join an affiliate program. Know what you want to promote. Once you've done all the above, you can now start choosing the products you want to promote. Make sure that the products you're promoting align with your brand and values. If you're just starting out, it's best to go with a product you're already using and something that you'd highly recommend to others. Of course, before promoting these products, you need to do some research. This helps you add value to your content and allows you to be more honest and transparent with your audience. Content is and always will be king, so you must ensure that you're producing high quality and value-adding content. Affiliate marketing isn't just about talking about the product or embedding links on your website or blog. Your content should guide your audience and help them make a decision. It should be compelling enough to convert visitors into buyers. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.